Y'all, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make chili mac and cheese. Now if you love chili and you love mac and cheese as well, why not just make chili mac and cheese? So today is an easy recipe of how I make my chili mac and cheese. Just love it. It's so cheesy and so good. If you want to see it, keep on watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and let's get started. To begin, we're going to start by boiling the pasta. Now I am boiling it based on the direction on the box. I'm using about 1 cup of pasta. Then once that is nice and cooked, al dente, we're going to rinse it with some cold water, set it aside. Moving on. Now in this cast iron skillet, I'll be adding my ground beef in there, okay? I am going to cook the ground beef until it's no longer pink. Then we'll add the seasoning in. By the way, I did add about 1 tablespoon of oil into my cast iron. Once that is nice and gray, no longer pink, no more blood, I am going to start seasoning it. I'm using cumin, chili powder, oregano. Then we're going to give that a mix. Then we'll add our yellow onion, okay? I'm using chopped yellow onion. Once my onions are nice and translucent, then I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Now I add the garlic after because I didn't want to burn my garlic. Once my garlic is nice and cooked, I am going in with some kidney beans. I am also adding some diced tomatoes and green chili, I believe. I will leave the exact name down below. I believe the brand name is Rotel. And then I'll be adding some tomato sauce as well. Now, if you don't have tomato sauce, you can go for tomato paste, okay? Just add that in there. Now we're going to give it a quick mix, okay, until everything well combined. Now you can add your pasta raw, then add some chicken broth in there. For me, to save time, I like to boil the pasta separate because it just saves time and everything done quickly. That's just my opinion. Now I'm adding my pasta in there just like that. I am using 1 cup of pasta. Like I said, we're going to give it a mix. Then we're going to season it one more time. Yes, we need this chili to taste amazing as well as the pasta. Okay, give that a quick mix. All right, now I am going to add some ground black pepper, just like that. You can add as much as you like. It's based on your taste, basically. Also, I'll be adding some onion powder, more oniony flavor. Also, I'll be adding, what else? I added some Sazon seasoning, the orange package. Let me show you guys. This is what it looks like, okay? Just a little bit, I'll say half a teaspoon, and give that a mix just like that. And trust me guys, this is going to be amazing once it is done, okay? Now I'm adding salt. Add a little bit of salt, of course. I guess we're adding more pepper because I like my pepper. Raise your hand if you love pepper. I do. Now, by the way, if you're watching right now, you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and also hit the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now, I'm adding some cheddar cheese in there. Just give it a quick mix. Now you don't want to add too much. It's just gonna be literally a mac and cheese with beans. Okay, so you want to have some of the chili flavor, so add a little bit of cheddar cheese, just like that. Maybe I'll say 1/3 cup of cheddar cheese. Give it a mix. Then I am going to add the rest of the cheddar cheese on top of it. Okay, I love me some chili, I love cheese, and I love mac and cheese too, so why not just combine them? If you tried chili mac and cheese before, leave me a comment down below. Let me know, do you like it? Let me know. Or if you made this, don't forget to come back on here and let me know that you like it. The recipe is the bomb. Okay, this is what it looks like once I am done covering it with cheese. Then I am going to bake it on 350 for 10 minutes. Make sure you put it at the lower rack of your oven. Then this is what you have, some cheesy chili mac and cheese. Trust me guys, this recipe is amazing, very comforting. It's perfect for this weather, fall, even though in Florida it's still summer, but this is amazing. Okay, give it a try. Let me know how you like it. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up for me. Please give it a thumbs up. Let's get it to 300 likes. I know you guys can do it. Leave me a comment. What do you think about this recipe? Is it a yay or a nay? Leave your comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys on my next video. Stay tuned. I will drop more recipes. And by the way guys, give me some suggestion. What recipes do you want to see? Leave them down below. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.